Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cordless impact wrenches in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Ingersoll Rand High Torque Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Convenience of cordless. Power of air. The W7151/220V High Torque Impact Tool is the only cordless impact wrench that can perform pound for pound with our best-in-class 2135 T-Max 1/2 air impact tool. The W7150 cordless impact wrench will make quick work of tough jobs that professional technicians do every day. Do the job. Do it fast. Do it every time. W7150 K22 kit includes W7150 impact tool, IQV series universal charger, 2 20V Li-ion 3.0 Ah batteries, and a blow molded case. 1100 FTLB nut busting torque from a tool weighing just 6.8 pounds, best power to weight ratio in its class. High efficiency rare earth magnet motor, high capacity variable speed trigger, all metal drive train, and metal reinforced housing enable this tool to stand up to the toughest jobs. Optimized balance combined with an ergonomic handle and soft touch over molded grip provide increased comfort in extended use. Long life 20V lithium-ion battery delivers high charge capacity and low internal impedance for maximum power delivery and run time. Intelligent battery management system provides power level and current control from the battery to the switch to the motor for optimum efficiency. Number 2. Our second best pick is DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit with Hog Ring. While 1/2 inch is a common size for impact wrenches and will allow a user to fasten or loosen many of the bolts, nuts and screws with which they come into contact, sometimes a smaller size is needed to get the job done. For that reason, 3/8 inch wrenches are also very popular. DeWalt's DCF 883 M2 model is comparable to the Max XR, just smaller. It offers less nut busting torque, but removing smaller fasteners requires less torque. Like the larger version, it has a hog ring to make changing sockets a breeze. And like the Max XR, it boasts many satisfied customers. The tool has 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon, with over 600 ratings. Please note that the price is for the complete kit, which includes a lithium-ion battery pack, charger, and kit box. XR batteries with fuel gauge of the 3/8 inch cordless impact wrench provide 33% more capacity over standard packs. 3 LEDs with 20-second delay after trigger release of the battery impact wrench provides visibility without shadows. Hog ring anvil to easily change sockets. Textured anti-slip comfort grip provides comfort and control. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ingersoll Rand 1/2 20V Cordless Impact Wrench. Torque, or twisting power, is one of the most important factors when it comes to choosing an impact wrench. The more torque a wrench provides, the easier it will be to tighten and loosen rusted bolt fasteners with it. This is especially important when old, and sometimes rusted, nuts are standing between you and a job, like changing a tire. Ingersoll Rand's 1/2 inch 20V cordless impact wrench provides more torque for heavy-duty jobs than any comparable model, even the Milwaukee Fuel High Torque tool that ranked as our top overall pick. Its maximum breakaway torque, which is the torque needed to take care of those old nuts and bolts, is 1,500 pound-feet with a 20-volt battery. It's hard to beat that level of power in a 1/2 inch impact wrench. Ingersoll Rand's high torque impact wrench has a similarly high rating, as well. It's currently got 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon, with over 400 ratings. In addition to be offered by itself, This cordless impact wrench is also available with a charger and battery packs. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bosch Brushless Connected Ready 2-in-1 bit/socket impact driver kit. The Bosch Freak is half impact driver, half impact wrench. Through the middle of the square, half-inch impact drive is a 1/4-inch, quick-change hex shank holder. Use it with impact sockets or hex driver bits. With 3 RPM settings, it makes quite a versatile tool, good for a wide variety of fastening and mechanical jobs. On paper, the Freak appears to be lacking with only 150 foot-pounds of torque, but it produces more than 4,200 impacts per minute, the highest number in this test at up to 3,400 RPM. The upside of this is that it easily removed lug nuts on our F250 but could still drive deck screws, a considerably more delicate operation. It also had no trouble with rusted bolts on the old cultivator we brought in for the test. The high RPM/IPM actually makes for quieter operation with less vibration. With the impacts closer together, it feels smoother. And the ability to switch between sockets and hex driver bits makes the Bosch Freak good for work where there's a wide range of hardware, like switching from lag bolts to deck screws. One last thing worth noting is that Bosch offers an optional connectivity tool module that enables customized tool settings via Bluetooth and a connected app. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Ryobi P261K 18V Cordless 3-speed 1/2-in Impact Wrench Kit. Thank you for reading our review of the Ryobi P261K 18V Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Our reviews are compiled by our editors with the help of our proprietary ranking algorithm. We look at verified user reviews, expert reviews on other websites, social signals, search engine interest and many others to give you a real-time recommendation on the Ryobi P261K 18V Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Lithium-ion cordless 3-speed 1/2-inch Impact Wrench Kit with 4Ah battery and charger. The 3-speed 1/2-in Impact wrench is more compact and more powerful than the ever before. With this new design, it produces 300 feet/pounds of torque and up to 3,200 impacts per minute, IPM, allowing you to use this tool for a variety of heavy-duty applications. This tool features a 3-speed selector switch and tri-beam LED lights. The included battery features superior electronics and performance to allow you to work stronger and longer with all 18V1 Plus tools. This battery delivers superior runtime, power, and performance. Ryobi P261K 18V Cordless 3-speed 1/2-in Impact Wrench Kit with 4Ah battery, charger and bag. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.